So this backhoe is on top of this train and is getting ready to cross over from one car to the other. And I think this is just the craziest shit I've ever seen. He was picking up some railroad ties and dumping them in the car, but now he's crossing from one to the other. I sure hope he makes it. I think he will, but it's pretty tight. He's halfway there. Guess he's gonna hold on to the side. I still don't know how he got up there. And he's across. Wow. Never thought I'd see such a thing. I don't know how he got up there. I don't know how he's gonna get down, but that's awesome.